Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can 1v1 your friends in CS2. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is make sure you got your developer console enabled, and you can check that by clicking whatever button it is set to, and it should open up a console like this. However, if you can't see it, you can just head up to your settings, then go to game, then go down to enable developer console and then make sure it is on yes. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and open it up and you can just type in whatever map you want. So let's just say I wanted to play CS Italy. I can click this and I can be taken into this map. So from here we just want to choose a team and then we want to just go back into console and type in bot_kick, and all of the bots have now been kicked. Now from here it's very simple to 1v1 our friends. All we will have to do is once again open our console. This time just type in status and click enter. Now from here we'll be given the IP to the server, and that is this one here where it says server. And I can copy this, copy selected text, and then send this to my friend, and then they are able to connect with that IP and we'll be able to 1v1 them in this server. So what they will have to do is open up their console and type in connect space and then paste in the IP without the brackets, and then when we click enter they will be joined into the game just like this, and from there you'll be able to 1v1 your friends on whatever map you like. So that's how you can 1v1 your friends in CS2. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.